AliExpress mod number 3. Alright guys, so here we have a stock DSG shifter, and if I zoom closer you can tell that I have some sort of material here which is 3M. I use it to cover this leather portion so that it doesn't fray up or tear or anything like that. Overall everything is in good shape. The R is actually different than the GTI because it has some sort of carbon fiber weave on the side versus just the leather. But what I have today is bringing it back to the GTI style. Here is the same material as you would find in the GTI. It's leather or leatherette. Alright. Overall, pretty good quality. Still satin chrome on the side. And in addition to this, I also have another trim piece which replaces the DSG leather shifter on the top, with this also satin trim. The reason I got this was because I want the blue trim to actually accent and not cover this part, right? So let's go ahead and try to see if I could do this pretty quickly. Basically, I think you just use a trim piece to pop everything off upwards, right? I think, yeah, so it just goes upwards. Let's go ahead and do a compare and contrast with the leather stock from the aftermarket chrome piece. Great. So if I want to keep this carbon fiber weave instead of this leather thing, I would just prop it out like so. You got 3 tabs. One over here, one over here, and one over here. You could just push this in and this will come out. Now to figure out how to remove this piece right here. So basically if you take a look over here, the aftermarket one, you got one tab here, another tab here, another tab on the bottom, and the last one, 4 out of 4 on the bottom. So we're basically trying to loosen this up so you can come off like so. I'm using a little tiny flathead screwdriver. I'm being really careful with the trim here. I should actually tape it since I don't have tape right now with me. Do this. Do this. And then loosen the bottom portion. And then kind of loosen it up, because right now we still have the tab over here, right? So this is exactly the same thing here. I got this one off, and this one off, but I can't access this one. So right now I'm just kind of slowly prying it out. Woo! And there you go. Luckily nothing broke, and this is the left side, right? So I don't know how I did it by removing this part. I don't know how I did it. I just kind of pried it off like this slowly. Alright, firmly but slowly. I didn't yank at it or anything like that. Alright, and there you have it. The stock one is out. So hopefully I'm lucky enough. Well, not lucky enough. Broke the last tab. I knew it. Alright. See if I could crazy glue back on. Other than that, tough luck. Right. This is what the aftermarket is here for. Plus it fell out. Oh. Oh man. Right here, the last tab. Aish. Let's pop this back in. This is a stock one. I was unlucky today. Anyway, so let's go ahead and zoom out. So basically we, again, aligning all these 4 tabs with this plastic piece here. 2 plastic pieces on the bottom will go align with these 2 bottom portions, the indentation. You got one fitment here that you have to insert the cylinder to, and then the other one at the bottom. Going through like this. And then again, you have to make sure this part aligns to this part, right? And then last but not least, this slides into this piece here. Alright, is in. Last one should be the same. Once everything is lined up, I'm gonna push forward. Now after this, it's not coming off. I probably won't do this again. Alright, this thing is staying on. And quality is exactly the same. And then last but not least, we are either gonna put this on, like so, right? Or get the satin chrome piece right over here. Probably gonna go with this one. Right? Then we are going to line it and then just push down. Yep, same thing. So take a look. This part aligns with this over here. It just goes over. Just make sure these hooks grab onto this, right? Like that. Then as of right now, quality seems the same. You got your DSG engraving right there on the top, right? The camera focuses, but overall, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this really dragged out video. I thought it's gonna take like 5 minutes most, but again, what took me so long was actually this tab on the inner portion of the shifter. And I got lucky with the left side, the driver's side, but unfortunately this side with the passenger side, this tab broke. I mean, in the long run, I don't think it's gonna affect anything. I don't think it's gonna wiggle or wobble when you place this back on, but this sucks to have a modification not go as planned. Anyway, thanks for watching. 3rd AliExpress modification of the year, and stay tuned for another one. Take care.